everyone. I'm Huang Yixun from Taiwan. Today, I want to talk about conducting experiment in International Space Station, space, which remain mysterious and unknown even in modern technology. Today, I will introduce you my experiment, which about kinetic power, quantum force, space force. The unique challenge of the space environment. First is microgravity for sure, and second is unknown device. The size and exactly information about the device remain unknown. This is a unique challenge to design an experiment. The experiment of my proposal is about conducting an experiment about water and sedimental surface force, and observe whether the phenomena is then as the mathematics calculate. To conduct this experiment, I need two stringy and one mental block. First, we push the stringy in the specific timer. Assume there already a water in the stringy, and then we can calculate the amount of water energy kinetic. Use this water to hit the center of the mental block. If the surface force is enough to absorb the quantum force, most of water will stay in the surface. In contrast, if no, then most of water will leave the mental surface. I want to make two kinds of this experiment. One, small energy or small amount of water, and eventually it stays. One, bigger energy or bigger amount of water, eventually it leaves. To conduct this experiment, we need to consider mental surface force, water energy kinetic, quantum force, but ignore the air resistance and friction due to small impact and complex calculation. So let's talk about some tangible. First, we drain the water to the stringy, and we take the stringy to the center of mental block. We push the stringy in a specific timer. If the floating water touch the mental surface and stay, then we make it again. We change some value and make the water floating to the mental surface and leave. Let's talk some mathematical verification. Surface force and energy kinetic are most important part in the experiment. Assume there's a stringy. We put 3 more water out in 3 seconds. Through this formula and communicating vessel, assume this is stringy and this is 10, this is 1. Then we know through a communicating vessel, we can know the force here will be 10 times. We can know the speed v is approximately this amount. Afterwards, we make the water hit the center of the mental block. From this formula, we can know the quantum force is this. And also, because in the microgravity, we can assume the water ball is perfect zipper. Then from the formula, we can know the water ball radius is this amount. Then the circular section is this amount. So the formula is, and theta is between the 50 and 80 degrees in metal surface. Assume theta equal to 70, then the surface force is this amount. Apparently, the surface force is bigger than the quantum force, so the water will stay. We can make the water won't stay by change the value of water, amount or the speed when pushing. This is the step-by-step procedure and it's that time. It takes 6.5 minutes to do all. What can we get from this experiment? We can verify the formula in microgravity environment. Through conduct an experiment in outer space, we can verify whether the formula affected by gravity. Second, we can increase our scientific understanding. The discovery expands our knowledge of the universe and improve our comprehension of fundamental principles. Thank you for your listening.